Today I'm going to inform you of a new update within Google Docs. This new update will allow you to take action on multiple text keyword selections in Google Docs. What does that mean? You'll be able to select multiple text and apply actions such as delete, copy, paste, or format to all selections. This will help eliminate those repetitive changes that you want to apply on the text selected. So let's go ahead and dive deeper on this. We are looking at a Google Doc. It's just one of the templates that Google has for us to use. We're just going to learn how to, first of all, select the multiple text. So let's go ahead and stick with the headers, overview, goals, and specifications. First thing I'm going to do is highlight the very first text that I want to adjust. I'm going to highlight the word overview. I also want to adjust at the same time goals and specifications. To do so, I'm going to go ahead and hold the control button on my keyboard and select the next text item. I'm going to go ahead and select goals. And I'm continuing to hold the control button and I'm going to select specifications. Now that I have my text selected, then I can adjust it as I mentioned earlier. I could go ahead and unbold it by selecting the B, and now it's no longer bold. Or I can go back and change all three of those selected text and make it bold. I can make it underline, I can change the font color, I can highlight, I can take any of the formatting options that we're used to. The other cool thing you can do is you always can use the right click and choose copy, paste, and use any of those options available for you as well. I'm going to go ahead and just choose copy just to show you how you can copy in the bulk. I'm going to go ahead and copy. And I'm going to scroll down and add it in a different area so you can see it. And I'm going to paste, which is Control V, or I can right click and choose paste. And you'll see all three of those items were pasted into my Google Docs. Let me show you how I plan to use this frequently, since I'm always linking to other documents or resources in my Google Docs. And I can do this in the bulk now with the multiple text option. So let's pretend that goals 1 and 2 will need to go to a resource that I have found on a web or another Google Doc or etc. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the first text selection by highlighting like we normally do. And again, we're going to use that button control and holding it down, and now I'm going to select goal 2. Now Google always only gives you what you can do in the toolbar when something is selected. So again, you can take action of any of these items up here that are appearing, such as link is an option. Or you can use the handy dandy right click and use those shortcut options as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link icon that is appearing in my toolbar. And now I want it to go to a certain page on Google Help. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that URL inside there, and I'm going to hit apply. Notice both of those items are now linked to a resource that I would prefer it to go to. So how easy is that? That's a great way to do hyperlinks throughout your document by selecting multiple text selections. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the resources below. Thank you.